Vlogember.
Vlogember. Right. You forgot the ember.
Vlogember. Chloe?
Yes?
Will you
You're doing this again?
for me a hot vanilla latte?
Yes.
I would love that ever so much.
Yes. This is the second time you've sung to me.
Oh, and I was probably not even in frame.
No, and it was like the same song with
No,
different words.
but I think that one was a cup of coffee with 1 cream, or with 1 sugar and 2 cream.
Yeah, but it's the same song.
That's fine.
I have made you a latte with vanilla and sugar. Ba, ba, ba.
There's sugar?
Latte.
Sugar?
No sugar.
Oh, okay.
The vanilla one.
Oh, the vanilla cinnamon.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Cinnamon. I called it sugar. I meant cinnamon.
Thank you, sweetie.
Latte. The latte is here. Yeah, that's all I got.
The vanilla latte. Thanks for the vanilla latte. Love you, Chloe. She's totally wrapped up in the blanket with me. Just wouldn't move off me when I put the blanket on. 1 cup.
Tablespoon of baking soda. Thank you. Do not do unsupervised.
Half a cup. So 1 of the packages of butter.
I would have rather just heat it up. What does it say?
This is what you do.
Oh, I can do it. I can do it.
This is called a pastry knife.
I didn't know that. I thought you used it for mashing potatoes.
Nope, that's not a potato masher.
1 large egg. Where'd I put the... Oh. I was looking for 1 singular egg. This part. I'm really good at this part. Not
Put it right in the
1
garbage can.
shell.
1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Quarter teaspoon.
Okay, and then what's the next? And then what's the next one?
1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I spilled a little bit.
No, add in the half now.
The secret is that you can never have too much vanilla.
That's true.
Ah! I'm not very good at this. Thank you for that pleasant assistance. I think someone smells the cookies.
1 whole cup, Chloe. That's not a cup.
Half a cup. This is another half a cup. And this is another half a cup. In my recipe book, cookies call for whatever it the recipe calls for, and a half. So much chocolate chips.
Cookies. Cookies.
We just watched Phantom of the Opera.
We are making cookies.
Correction, I'm making cookies. You're helping me.
I'm what?
You're helping me.
I'm hovering, I know. So much for keto.
Yeah, so much for keto.
Sugary death.
Yep. Mine. I get to lick that.
Nope, I get to lick it.
Bonjour.
Oh, those are perfect, Chloe.
Hello, it's the chef Chloe here. I have made
Testing
the
our
delicious cookies. Delicious cookies, yeah.
Here, try Chloe.
I think I have chicken on the
Those are really good cookies, Chloe.
There we go. I just finished it, Mom. Do you like it?
Well, it's very pretty. I really like how you've got the shading and the lights and the darks and... If you want to destroy my sweater, pull this thread as I walk away. Watch me unravel, I'll soon be naked, lying on the floor, it's come undone.
Oh, we're rolling. Garlic bread.
We have garlic bread. Merci pour le pain de garlic.
Yep.
Yes.
Translation. Thank you for the garlic bread. Thank you, Granny. I know you're watching this, so thank you.
Yes, Chloe and Mama made garlic bread.
I just cut it. That's all I did.
You know, I hate talking with food in my mouth, right?
Me too. I made the hot beverages.
So, that's our weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Bye.